To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Navigate to your direct messages by selecting the paper plane icon or the messenger icon located in the upper right corner.
Next, open an individual or group chat where you want to save your draft message.
While on the chat screen, simply begin typing in the message box at the bottom. Perfect for anything from a quick note to a detailed message. To save the message as a draft, just exit the chat without sending it, by tapping the back arrow or using your device's back button to return to your chat list. Instagram automatically saves your unsent text, and a draft label will appear beneath the contact or group name. To access your draft, simply reopen the chat. Your saved message will appear in the input box, ready to be sent, edited, or deleted. This feature lets you easily pick up where you left off, saving time and preventing message loss. And that's how you can make the most of message drafts in the Instagram app.